Thinking about buying a new car? Well, not brand new, but new to you. Here's everything you need to know. Let's break it down. If you've got £1,000 or less, your options are limited. Here's what to watch out for: full service history and mileage that matches the car's age. Use Car Vertical or any other service. For cheap cars, ensure it runs well. Check the oil and coolant levels. If it's all good, move on to the next steps. When viewing the car, take it for a test drive. Or better yet, let the seller drive while you observe. Ensure the car cold starts and they don't do any funny business. Check all gears. Finally, if you've got a cheap engine diagnostic tool. You know the type that Bluetooth to your phone like AutoMind that you'll soon be able to get free from goautomind.com? Then plug that in and scan for any engine faults. The last thing you'd need is an engine light on as soon as you drive off in your new purchase. That's your quick guide to buying a budget car.
Follow me at Mr. MJW Official.